Alright friends, now let's do the same thing what we did in our previous lesson using the ternary operator. So we can use the same example. Okay, so instead of writing full if-else structure, we can use the ternary operator to simplify our code. Okay, how can I do that? After getting age value from the user, I come here, I say string result. Why this is a string? Because I will store this string or this string in a variable. Okay, so the ternary expression depends on whether the age is 18 or above. So we check this with a condition and assign the result accordingly. Let's do it. What's my condition? Age is greater than or equals 18. I copy this and I paste here, and then I put my question mark. So what does it mean? If this condition is true, after the question mark, I assign this statement to the result variable. So I copy this and I paste here. So if it is true, if this condition is true, result is you can derive. I put my colon. Colon means if it is not true, this condition is not true. So I assign to the result variable this value. You cannot derive. Okay. What I need to do? I need to print this result. I delete all. I just leave system.out.println, and then I print this result variable. Okay. So let's control it. I run it, enter your age. I say 50, you see you can drive. So I run again. I say 15, you cannot drive. We did the same thing. You see, it's easy and a more clean way for writing our codes. Super.